In today's vlog, we are going to be packing for a week trip in St. George. We did go to it a few weeks ago, I believe 3 weeks ago. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you do. And we are going to stay at this resort, and then we're going to be recording 2 videos there. One of them being this one, and then back to school shopping. Guys, school starts in 2 weeks, and summer went by way too fast, and I'm going to become a junior. So stay tuned for that. But I'm so excited. Let's pack some cute outfits, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notification button so you don't miss anything out. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So for our luggage, we're going to be taking this backpack. This is my 10th grade year backpack. It is kind of like the same size as the suitcase, but just a tad bit smaller and less spacious. So we do need to make sure we pack a good amount of stuff, and we're gonna be trying out the outfits to make sure I like it, because I do want to make sure I take cute pictures. And if you guys haven't checked it out, go check out my Instagram, which is gonna be right here. And I'm so excited, and we're gonna make sure to separate the outfits into little piles to make sure what we want to take and what we don't want to take. Okay, so this is what we have for the first outfit. This skirt is from H&M, and I don't remember where I bought the shirt, but I'm not sure if I like the beige on beige, so I think I'm going to change the shirt and see if I like it better. So I do personally like it better with this shirt. This shirt is also from H&M, and I think I'm going to pack this one instead, because I think it's just like matches more my vibe. Okay, so this is the second outfit. We have the shirt from Hollister, and then the pants from Ross. And I think it looks really cute. Like, if we go out or like we go bowling or something, I don't know. I really like it. So I'm packing this one as well. So here's the third outfit. I did wear this shirt in Vegas, but it was for a short period of time because I did buy a new shirt. So I'm re-wearing this one again because I'm an outfit repeater. And we have the shorts from American Eagle, and the shirt is from Shein. And I really like it. I think it's really cute. So this is what we have for the fourth outfit. Now, I'm not sure if I like or the shirt or the pants, or I don't know if I don't like the whole outfit in general. But I don't know, because St. George is really hot, so I can't wear jeans. But I also, I want to wear jeans, you know? But I don't know how I feel about this. And these are both from Shein. So this is another option for outfit 4. And we have these American Eagle shorts, and then we have this shirt from Ross. And I think I like this one a little bit better just because of the short and the shirt combo. I think they match more. So I think I'm going to stick with this one. Okay, so this is what we have for the fifth outfit. These shorts are from Target, and then we have the shirt from Shein. And I think it looks really cute, even though it's kind of giving pajamas, but I really like it. I think the shirt really matches, and I don't know. I think I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. I think I like it. Okay, so this is what the sixth outfit looks like. I really love this one. I'm not even kidding. The shirt is from Walmart, and the pants is from Walmart as well. But oh my gosh, it looks so good. Now, St. George is really hot. Am I going to be dying? Maybe, but it looks so cute. Okay, so this is the seventh outfit. It's really simple. It kind of looks like the one I wore last time to St. George, but instead it's like a brownish color instead of black. And I love these shorts, so I'll be taking these. But the shirt is from Walmart, and the shorts are from Ross, and I think it looks really cute. Okay, so there is a little bit of a problem. I'm packing 8 outfits for 8 days, plus going to... And I think I'm going to wear the same outfit coming back because there's no worries about that. But guys, I don't know if I'm overpacking or underpacking. I don't know if I should, if I'm supposed to pack more or if I'm supposed to pack less, because I don't know where we're going. I don't know if we're just staying there. I don't know. I think we might go out a day that we're going to go to a restaurant and then get ice cream and shop. But I don't know what to pack because, it's so random. But I'm gonna see if I can find extra outfits to pack because I think I'm running out. But let's see what we can find. Okay, so instead of the brown shirt, I think I'm gonna go with this red top, and I think it's so much cuter, and it is from Shein. I don't know. I feel like the brown one is also really cute, but I haven't worn this one in a while, and it's just I don't know. I feel like it's more summery. Okay, so I don't have an extra outfit, so I am gonna bring this shirt, and then I can just switch between these or the American Eagle ones because I think it looks really cute, or even the jeans. But this shirt is from Zara and I think it's really cute as well. So we are done setting up the main outfits, and now we're gonna set up swimsuits and then make sure we have goggles and all the other essentials. Yesterday I was cleaning out my closet and I found 2 water guns. So we're gonna take those as well. Now for swimsuits. For swimsuits, we have this top from Shein. We have these tops from Walmart, this one, and then we have this crochet top, which is cute, but I don't know. And then we have the bottom that we use for all 3 of them. And then we have these 2 purple ones and this H&M flower one, which is like black and white. Now, I don't know which one I'm gonna take because we are gonna be spending there for a week, so I might take all of them, I might not, I don't know. But I need to make sure I have all my like essentials because those are a need, and have my digital camera. So let's start packing and let's start grabbing the other stuff to put in our bag. Guys, all this like setting up, I've been setting up for like 2 hours. I'm gonna grab myself a Diet Coke, but I'm so excited for the trip. My cousin is coming along and hopefully we do some fun stuff, but let's grab myself some Diet Coke with some cold ice. We got our Diet Coke. Now let's fill this cup with ice. Guys, what's your guys' favorite drink? I love Diet Coke. It like, also Dr. Pepper is like #1, but Diet Coke with some crisp ice, it's so good. But I'm excited for St. George. Like I said before, I am also really excited for back to school shopping. I'm getting this really cute backpack from Amazon, and it's like the cutest thing ever. And then I'm also getting a pencil pouch from Amazon. I don't think I need too much for junior year. I don't know, but I'm gonna need like some new books because I don't have those. So yeah, but we need to finish packing. This soda was in like the pantry and it's like sizzling one by one. But let's take our Diet Coke back to our room and then finish packing. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I ended up gathering everything I needed. I also went to the Chinatown here in Utah and I grabbed these chips, which is like, there's so much air, but I grabbed these as well. And then these. I grabbed these and then these high chews, which look really good. And then I've had this one before. I think it's really good. Some people think it's kind of nasty, but I don't know. Then we have these, the same brand as well. And then Brazilian peanuts for our snacks. I might go out tomorrow with my mom just to get more snacks because I'm a foodie and I love eating while in like road trips. I think it's like my favorite thing ever. Then for extra stuff, we have my watercolor book. I did paint these 2, which fell out, but we have that with the paint. So in case I get bored, we have those. And then we have these 2. Now, one of these are socks. So this one's socks and then this one's underwear. So on these little cute little bags. Now they're easier because in my backpack, they'll fit nicely. And then I have my goggles, some hand sanitizer because it's a need, and then some bobby pins because my hair, I tied it up like right now because it looks really bad. So sometimes we need these, and then spot it. And then when I went to camp a few weeks ago, I ended up bringing this, and then it has like, let me show you guys. I have all like the little tiny essentials, so like little mouthwash, it's like toothbrush, soap, like all those stuff in here. But obviously I'm gonna bring the actual size to the trip. And then we just have some yoga headbands. Now I also love these because my hair sometimes doesn't want to cooperate, so I bring these like they're a need in my life. So now I need to make sure that I have my camera, because I don't, well, actually no, I'm not even gonna use it this week. And then I need to make sure that I got these really cute cover-ups for like pools and beaches, but I have no idea where they went. So I need to find those, and then I'm gonna start packing it into my backpack. Now I feel like I need more things, but I don't want to overpack because I do plan on shop there, and I don't want to overpack my backpack so I can't bring anything. So I need to make sure I do have a good amount of stuff, but I need to pack the rest. And then for shoes, I am bringing my Adidas with the blue stripes, and then my Converse, my black ones, and my flower sandals, and then probably my Billabong flip-flops. And I think that's it. And then maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna see what I can find to put in the bag. And then I think we're gonna buy a pickleball set once we get there, because there is a tennis court. So, and it comes with 3 paddles. I saw one at Walmart for $21, so I'm gonna buy that as well. Okay, so I found the beach cover-ups. Well, some of them aren't cover-ups, but I'm just gonna show you guys because I'm really excited about them. So we have this cute shirt. It just like buttons up on the front. I think it's super duper cute. And then we have this one as well. I think this one's kind of like a tube top situation, and you like tie it up in the front as well. Then we have this cute dress, which obviously isn't a cover up, but like look how cute it is. I'm definitely gonna be wearing that. It's so freaking cute. And then we have this blue shirt. I love stripes so much, like especially like these types. It's gonna look so cute. And then I'm gonna show you guys what pajamas I'm taking. I think I have everything I need. Then we're gonna start packing it up. So this is the mess. Let's get to packing, shall we? Okay, so here it is. It is super duper bulky. I really wished everything fit into it, but since I can't bring my suitcase, I have to stick with the backpack. But unfortunately, if I put everything into it, it would not zip. So that's okay. We'll probably just put it into like different bags. I'll put some stuff into my bag or my little tote bag that I'm taking with my shoes. But, you know, we'll figure it out. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!